Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to update on your Instagram app on Android device. First step is open Play Store, then tap search for Instagram in the search field at the top and select Instagram from the suggestion list of result. Tap on update to the right of Instagram app listing. If your Instagram app is already up to date, the button will be already say open instant update. If you don't have Instagram installed, it will say get, which you can tap on download the app. If you previously offloaded the app, you will see a cloud button to re-download it. When the app has finished updating, tap open to go to Instagram or tap more to see the update details.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.